Kutqi Sling backpack I bought for travel and everyday life. There are a few things I was really looking for in a sling backpack. This checked off all the boxes. Let me show you. First of all, I really wanted a phone pouch on the front so that it could be right here, ready to whip out and take pictures and text and call. Have it handy here. I don't have to take my backpack off to access my phone. I love that. But here is another thing I love. This is actually removable. So you just unvelcro there and then you unclip it here. This is what it looks like without that on. It's just a regular strap. Nice and thick though, so it's not gonna cut in and really hurt. It's nice and supported. And then you've got this pouch you can add to something else. This also has a headphone or charging slot and sunglass holder strap. It's just so convenient. I love that it's removable and so flexible how you use it. But we're gonna go ahead and put that back on. There we go. Then we'll show you the back. Another thing I really wanted was a water bottle holder on the side. This has it on both sides. It is small, but it does work with most water bottles, just not your gigantic like 32 ounces, but this is 20 ounces, a kind of a slim bottle that fits. Another feature I wanted was a hidden pocket on the inside, so that's on your back. Easier spot to put a passport, a wallet, something that you don't want to risk getting pickpocketed. That is right here, so that's gonna be touching your body. Nice big pocket too. So if you're in a really risky area, you can just wear this on your front, literally like protecting it from all angles, and then that secret pocket is right there on your stomach. You can protect it with your elbows and stuff. Of course, if you're doing this, make sure your phone, make sure nothing is in this part. And then when you are in a safer area, just hiking or walking around town, whatever, you can wear it on the back, and it's reversible. You just unsnap here and snap it on the other side if you prefer to wear it across a different shoulder. So if you've got this loaded up and you're walking around all day and that shoulder's starting to ache, you can switch it up. Ah, amazing. Let's go through all the pockets and stuff. So this is the main compartment. Got a big jacket in here. It's a small backpack. It's not a full size, but it can hold quite a bit. And there are nice compartments as well. Here's your back pocket, full length. A big section here, and then if we flip it around to see the front side, you've got like two little mesh compartments behind that, a big compartment, and a keyring strap inside. Zipping that up, we've got two more compartments. This is kind of a medium sized in the middle, full length here, another big good compartment. And then in the very front, we've got like a half size right here, but again, really good size. The front one and the middle one are only one zipper, so they cannot be clipped to each other. There's no way to secure those, so keep that in mind. But the bigger one is a double zipper. So if you get those little tiny carabiner clips, they are like anti-theft. You could clip those together, or you could zip tie them or lock them even if you really need them to be secure. A great sling backpack for daily life, for traveling around Europe, Asia, you name it. It comes in a bunch of colors. I like the black because honestly, I can use it, my husband can use it, we can switch swap. That's why I got the black. But choose whatever color brings you joy. Is a great backpack. We love it, and we know you will too.